full tank gas was like flipping $10. I'm like, holy shit. You know, I remember filling up the bike used to be like $4. Now granted, that was for like the cheap shit. But freaking $4 and now it's $10. So yeah, leaving, got no rain gear. I've been watching the radar. I'm gonna get wet. Should have taken the car. But you know, it's freaking adventures like this that can be fun. Or adventures like this can suck. If I was going that way, I'd be lucky. But I'm going that way. It's kind of dark. Yes, that's rain. You know, I remember back in the day, I never wore a helmet. I couldn't stand them. I thought you couldn't see out of them, so I just never wore them. Right now, I'm pretty thankful that I'm a helmet wearer, and a riding jacket, and gloves. You know, I see guys squidding, riding around, you know, a pair of shorts or a t-shirt or something. I'm like, son of a bitch, if they get caught in the rain, that's gonna freaking hurt. But you know, you're just not a biker until you catch a couple rains. I mean, there's a lot to be said about riding in the rain. You know, it's you got to really be aware of what's going on. Yeah, the camera's going to get wet, trying to keep it clean, but you know how it is. But you know, thankfully it's not like a downpour yet. My nipples are freezing. Well, at least I'm not the only guy that got stuck out in the rain. So, but he had like a t-shirt on and shorts. Ouch. That shit hurts. I've done that. When I used to ride my chopper all the time, I never wore a helmet. I always wore jeans though. I'd wear like jeans and a t-shirt. And yeah, there's a couple times I got stuck in the rain on that thing. Man, you talk about hurt. You know, at least with this, it's got a windshield, you know, it's throwing some of the rain off of me. So that's a huge plus. You know, a lot to be said about aerodynamics of a bike. Yeah, you know, if it don't rain no more, I got about 7 more minutes till I get to the house. My clothes might just be all dried out. Well, maybe not. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but yeah. And it's raining again. Ow! Well, I'm just a couple blocks from home. I think I'm going to make it all right. Just going to be soaked. But I'll go ahead and end this video here. Hope y'all have had a brilliant day. Mine's been kind of wet. But, you know, my nipples are cold and they're hard, so it's all good. Yeah. Don't forget, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Moto Amino, Idiot Savant 71. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Have a great day.